What's up, guys? All good? My name is Jack. In this video I will tell you everything you need to know about the Pure Reiki Mastery before you buy the product. I also have some important warnings for you, so it's extremely important that you watch this video until the end so you don't lose your money. The first point of attention is, be careful with the website where you are going to buy the product, because today this product is only sold on the official website. So to help you, I left the official website link below in the video description and also in the first comment. I'm here in the corner of the screen doing this review to tell you my experience and help you know if the Pure Reiki Mastery works. What is Pure Reiki Mastery? Pure Reiki Mastery is a straightforward, powerful training system crafted by Owen Coleman, a former construction worker who transformed chronic back pain into a lifelong passion for healing. Drawing from the original teachings of Mikao Usui, Reiki's founder in 1922, this program cuts through decades of complicated, costly traditions to deliver authentic hand healing techniques that anyone can master in as little as 48 hours. At its core, Pure Reiki Mastery reveals how to harness the universal life force energy that flows through all living things to dissolve energy blockages causing physical pain, emotional distress, or mental fog. Unlike drawn-out classroom seminars or expensive attunements, Owen's step-by-step manual teaches you to channel this intelligent energy through your palms, either by gentle touch, hovering inches above the body, or even remotely across miles. The program includes downloadable Reiki healing meditations, 5 guided audios to deepen your connection between sessions, and a Reiki music collection to set the perfect vibrational atmosphere, mimicking the natural surroundings where Usui first practiced. A bonus video version lets you learn on the go, making it accessible for busy Americans seeking natural wellness tools without years of study or travel to Japan. How does work Pure Reiki Mastery? Pure Reiki Mastery works by guiding you through a streamlined, step-by-step process to attune your hands to universal life force energy, known as Ki, allowing you to dissolve energy blocks that cause pain, stress, or illness in yourself and others. Owen Coleman's digital manual starts with foundational lessons on recognizing Ki's flow around and within the body, using simple visualizations and hand positions to channel it without years of meditation or travel. You progress to self-healing techniques, placing palms on or near affected areas like a tense back or racing mind to trigger natural warmth, vibration, and relief as blocks melt away and the body restores balance. From there, advanced modules unlock rapid Reiki for quick sessions, group Reiki to amplify collective energy for faster results, and remote Reiki to send healing across distances, mimicking the intuitive, monkey potato, energy transmission from nature. Supporting audios and music tracks enhance attunement between practices, building intuition so energy intuitively seeks out hidden imbalances, often leaving recipients deeply relaxed or pain-free after minutes. Pure Reiki Mastery unfolds through an effortless, 3-step daily practice that reprograms your hands to channel universal life force energy, bypassing years of frustrating traditional training.